morning, friends and my dear students. Today we are going to see the paper number 15, Industrial Microbiology BSc, third year, myself Professor Mundhe Sandeep, Head and Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, Sanjuri Mahavidyalaya, Sapuli, in the online YouTube classes. We are going to see the industrial microbiology. Industrial microbiology, it is the branch of microbiology which deals with the study of those microorganisms which are important to produce industrial product. These products are very important for human beings. So these microorganisms are uses which has industrial and economical applications, and these microorganisms we actually collected or isolated from natural sources, and they are used for production of industrial productions in large scales under the fermenter. It is one of the instrument in which we can use microorganisms as well as the nutrients, and by combinations and by providing a suitable environment, pH, temperature, whatever it may be, we can produce the product, which are very important product. So microbes convert these raw materials into the economically important products. Products are passes through detections, analysis, assay, purification, recovery to make them safe and effective. So these are the different testing process. Under that we can produce this product. The end product formed in fermentation is economically important, but the organism used for fermentation are equally important. During this fermentation process we can also produce the intracellular as well as some extracellular enzymes. These enzymes are very important because they are useful for fermentation, degradations, utilization of media components. And sometimes what happens, these enzymes may be the final product of fermentations or may play important role in product formations. For example, enzymes like amylase, protease are used in variety of product. And amylase is an enzyme that catalyzes the hydrolysis of starch into the sugars, whereas protease also called as peptidase or proteinase is any enzyme that perform proteolysis. It means these enzymes are very important. This industrial microbiology is a field where molecular biology, genetic engineering, and biochemistry are applied together for creating new things of economic values. Yes, this is the process where these industrial microbiology use. Industrial microbiology is an area of applied micro which deals with screening, improving management, and expansion microbiology for productions of different useful product. And microorganisms isolated from natures are tested for mutations, and the mutant organisms are selected and further genetically engineered by recombinant DNA technology. Nowadays what happens, mutation means the original microorganisms which undergo mutation means there is genetically changed variety of microorganisms, and we can change these variety under the recombinant DNA technology process. You just see the example of coronavirus. Nowadays what happens, in the coronavirus there is the change due to the environment is strain 1, strain 2, strain 3, delta plus, like that. These are the changes due to the mutation, natural mutations. And we can also artificially carry out these mutation in the laboratory levels for high industrial productions. So industrial microbiology is very important. Why? Because we can produce a number of industrial products. For example, this is the list of economically important products obtained by applying microbiology on industrial scales. For examples, beverages means wine, beers, then ROMs. These are the product are produced by microorganisms. Apart from that, amino acids like L-lysines, L-glutamic acid, it means all the amino acids we can produce by only and only microorganisms in industrial level in the fermentation process. Apart from that, enzyme, amylase, protease, vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin B12, other vitamins we can also produce by using the microorganisms. That's why these microorganisms are very important. Each and every microorganism is has its own role, means specific industrial product produces by specific kind of microorganisms. Apart from that, organic acid like lactic acid, gluconic acid, citric acid, formic acid, all these acids, organic acids can produce by microorganism. For example, lactic acid is a very important by it can produces by using lactobacillus sporogenes, lactobacillus bulgicans, streptococcus. Apart from that, we can produce lactic acid by using Saccharomyces boulardii, for example. Apart from that, antibiotics like streptomycin, penicillin, ampicillin, terramycin, tetracycline, or for etc. These antibiotics we can produce by using specific kind of microorganism. You know, in 1929, first time the scientist Alexander Fleming produces the first antibiotic penicillin from Penicillium notatum, the organisms. It means the first antibiotic penicillin produces in 1929 from by using Penicillium notatum microorganisms. Apart from that, we can produce gases like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogens by using these microorganisms. Organic solvent like ethanol, butanol, propanol, etc. These are also produced by the microorganisms. We will see details about the productions in the next lectures. But these are the some list of economically important products we are studying here. Apart from that, food like cheese, bread, vinegar, toast, then curry. These are the bakeries product we can also produce by using the microorganisms. Apart from that, bacterial insecticides we can produce by using the Bacillus thuringiensis microorganisms. Apart from that, we can produce, for example, biofertilizers by using the Rhizobium, Azotobacter. These microorganisms we can use. Nowadays, the penicillin, it is one of the hormones we can also produce by using microorganisms, genetically changed E. coli, Escherichia coli microorganisms. It means these are the very important product we can produce by using the microorganisms. Apart from that, nowadays the biodiesels, biofuels, and feed, these are the products we can also produce by using the microorganisms. These are the some biopolymer, bioflocculants, biosurfactants, bio. These are the product we can also produce by the microorganisms. So this is all about the definition of industrial microbiology as well, the scope of industrial microbiology. This is one just introductions about that. In detail, we'll see in the next lectures. So till then, take the care. It's our duty to take the precautions because we are belongs to microbiological students, and it's our duty to take the cares because nowadays the third pandemic spreaded all over the Delta Plus, not only in India but also all the worlds. And take the precautions, wear the mask, keep the social distance, and use the sanitizer. These are the three important precautionary part of our life. So take care. We'll see in the